Hi guys, welcome to my channel if you're new and welcome back if you're a subscriber. My name's Vanessa. I'll be posting new videos every week, all beauty related content. If you like the video, don't forget to like it and subscribe if you want to see more videos. Thank you so much and I hope you enjoyed the video. Today my video is on my Boxycharm unboxing for the month of April. I haven't filmed this yet because I was moving, so sorry that it's a little late. Here is the pamphlet on it for this month. They made it longer and it's the theme eye candy. They also have offers on the back for Dr. Brandt and Tarte, so I'll list them underneath. Also, I will list the link if you want to get your own Boxycharm box. Boxycharm is a monthly subscription that is $21 a month and you get 5 full-size products every month. I like it because for $21 a month you can get new and relevant brands, and I love that it's full-size too. So I've been subscribed for a couple months and I'm really happy with it. The thing that I got is this ColourPop Golden State of Mind palette. It's actually what I have on my eyelids right now. They are pretty much all glittery. There's no mattes in it. So you'd have to use like with mine, I used a bronzer just to cut the crease a bit because I didn't want to just use all shimmeries, and I love it. It's so pigmented, so pretty. It really glistens and glows on your eyes. The only thing I would suggest is when you use it, swatch it before you put it on your eye, because today I used this color, which I thought would be like a brown. I was going for a neutral look, and it comes off actually more burgundy, but I still really like it. And even this white here has holographic pink in it. So the colors that you see on this aren't actually exactly how it shows on your eye. So just swatch it on your hand or your finger before you put them on. But I love them. They're so pretty, so pigmented. And I use my finger to apply the really shimmery shades. And there is a little bit of fallout, but there always is with shimmery. I can see myself using this a lot because I love shimmery shades. And you've got like some holographic ones, oranges, some burgundies, purple, and some neutrals. So I really love it. This is actually my first ColourPop palette, so I'm super excited about this. And this palette retails for $26. Next item that I got is the Pores No More Vacuum Cleaner by Dr. Brandt. It's a pore purifying mask. I've actually used the vacuum cleaner before. It wasn't the mask though, it was just the treatment, I think, for the nose, and it actually really worked. So I'm sure this will work too. I really love Dr. Brandt skincare. It actually seems to work, and it is quite pricey. This tube, which is full size, retails for $47. So it's already like double what you paid for the box. So I'm really excited about this. I love getting skincare. I love skincare. So the next is the Brow Gal Tanya Crooks Instant Brow Hair number 2 brow gel. So it's like a brow gel. I love brow gels. It retails for $22 and it has microfibers in it, and it's like a tinted brow gel as well. So I'm not going to open it yet. I don't want it to dry out. I'm going to use up what I have first, and then I'll do a review or first impressions on this. Just comment below if you see something that you want featured in another video or a review on, and I'll do that for you. And also let me know what you got in your boxes, because we all get different stuff, so I'd love to know what you get. And the next is this Tarte Pro Glow Tarte Liquid Highlight. I love Tarte, so I'm so excited to get this. And this retails for $29, and the color is Exposed. So I'm just gonna try this color and see. It looks like a champagne color, which would be good for my skin tone. So let's take a look and see. Yeah, I think it would really be good for my skin tone. There it is there on my hand. It's kind of hard to see. It's just like a subtle highlight, doesn't have any smell, but I love liquid. Oh, it's more pigmented on my finger actually, so it is quite pigmented. I'll have to play with it and see, but I love liquid highlights, liquid highlighting products for the summertime because they're so easy to apply, especially if you don't want to wear a lot of makeup or you just want to wear a CC cream or something. It's so easy to just put it on your cheeks quick, so I'm excited about this. I love Tarte. So that's great too. That was $29 for that. And then the last thing that I got is the Adesse High Definition Liquid Lipstick. Ooh, this is a pretty color. And the color is, doesn't say. Debbie's Fave, I think it said. There's no color on it, but it's a liquid lipstick that retails for $24. And I'll do a swatch of the color. Smells so good. So there it is right here. So it's like a more brownie nude. I'll put some on actually. It smells really good. It smells like a vanilla scent, sugar cookie type scent. So this is how it looks. It's like a brownish nude. It's comfortable on the lips. It has a nice vanilla scent, and it is the littlest bit sticky, but I like the applicator on it. It's like kind of square and flat, so it's easy to get on your lips, like really exact. So I do like it, and I like the color too. So that's good. It's probably more of a fall color, but that's okay. We'll just wear it anyways. So that's everything that I got in my Boxycharm for April. There's nothing else left. I'm really happy with it. I love anytime I get skincare or like a palette that I would actually really enjoy and use, like I'm already sold. So that's like way over the value that I even paid for it. So my favorite items in this box are definitely the ColourPop palette, because I really like the colors and I love shimmers, and this Dr. Brandt skincare because I love skincare so much. I also do like brow stuff too, but I'll just have to see how this works. So thank you so much for watching. Like this video if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Comment below what you'd like to see next, or what you got in your box, or anything you want. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you again for all your positivity and kindness on my previous videos. I really appreciate it. Thank you, and have a great day.